Welcome to episode 1 of our roofing components playlist, where we do a deep dive into each of the major components of your roof. Today we're going to be going over a major component of your roof system, and that's decking. There's a lot of interesting information about decking, so stay tuned. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. What is roof decking? Roof decking, or roof sheathing, is the foundation of your roof. It's the wood that your roof shingles and underlayment and ice and water shield and everything is nailed to. The roof decking is attached to either the rafters or the trusses, and it basically makes up the frame of your roof system. There are two main types of roof decking. One is 4x8 sheets and another is plank decking. Now, plank decking is 1x6. Sometimes they use 1x8s or 1x10s, but they don't any longer because code is 1x6. And the sheets are 4x8 sheets of either plywood or OSB, which is Orient strand board. When should you replace your roof decking? Your roof decking should be good enough to last for at least 2 or 3 roofs, but if there's been a problem with condensation or extreme moisture in your attic, then likely the adhesives in the decking is going to be dissolved and it's going to delaminate when you tear your old roof off and try to put the new roof on. So that's one instance in where you would have to replace it. If you have 1x6 decking and the planks are spaced more than 1/8 of an inch, well, it doesn't fall into code compliant anymore, and in that case you would have to put new 4x8 sheeting over the top of the existing plank decking. And that also goes for if it's wider than a 1x6. If it's 1x8 or 1x10 or 1x12, that's not an acceptable roof deck any longer as per code. How much does roof decking cost? The cost of lumber fluctuates every week. That's why we check the pricing on it every Monday morning, just to make sure that we don't get caught overpricing or underpricing the cost of the new decking. We normally charge $55 per 4x8 sheet. With the higher price of roof decking today, we're now at $85 per 4x8 sheet, and we're at $3.25 per linear foot of 1x6. And that's just to do partial replacements, a little piece here or a little piece there. Now, a full redeck is going to be a little bit less expensive than that, and we normally go off of what insurance is currently paying for roof decking. Remember, the prices of lumber fluctuate every week, so we adjust our prices weekly. And right now, the prices are extremely volatile. There could be a $10 change just in a sheet of plywood from this week to next week. Now you know what you need to know about roof decking. To continue your education, click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch episode number 2 about underlayment. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. I'll catch you on the next one.